Doing some fried chicken, rice and peas, and cooking some potato over here. And I'm about to do some shrimp. It is Wednesday. Back home, when I used to be in Jamaica, my mom used to always cook on a Wednesday like this. It's all about curry kitchen, you know. There. See? Why this are the rocks though? Don't argue with me. Here? So there you have it, all courtesy of Curry Kitchen, guys. And if you want me to show you how I make this delicious meal, please subscribe and put it in the comment section below. So here I have my rice and peas, I have my coleslaw, some fried chicken with the fried chicken sauce over it, I have some curry shrimp, I have some steamed vegetable with cucumber. There you have it. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend about life with Corey Goodas.